Good day all, South African prep here. So interesting news from the Ukrainian-Russian war is that America and Ukraine actually got to some kind of a deal to implement a 30-day ceasefire. Now, if I understand it correctly, there's an American representative that's been in Moscow as well, visiting Putin. And from the reports, it seems that Putin is open to a 30-day ceasefire to try and calm this war down a little bit. Obviously, there's a whole lot of conditions regarding a ceasefire. Things like territories, that who's going to keep what are they going to do with soldiers that have been pinned down. Recently, now the last 2 days, Russia had a massive advancement, and they took something like 12 villages. So logistics around the 30-day ceasefire now needs to be negotiated between the two parties. So obviously America being in the center of this, being the mediator. So hopefully they can all come to a 30-day ceasefire, which I think would be good, because there's a lot of people dying in that war. So just a little bit of an update. I do think it definitely impacts South Africa, not on the ground in South Africa so much, but globally what happens there do impact us quite a lot, especially when it comes to agricultural products, things that we actually export and things that actually gets imported from that specific area. Anyway, South African Prepper, have a lovely weekend and God bless.